Keep silence.
Don't wake him. I cannot wake everyone.
You're making a lot of noise. Why don't you sleep? And don't snore, okay?
Okay.
Hey.
I want to know.
Why?
Because I like it.
Okay, do it.
Mommy, turn up the light. I turn up the light too.
Okay, you start snoring. Now you can start snoring.
Why you don't wake? Go to bed.
Okay, good night.
Mommy, why you're turning the light back? Turn up the light.
Okay.
You waste electricity. Don't waste electricity.
I'm not wasting electricity, okay? I'm just switching off the lights. Okay, bye.
Don't waste electricity. Close the electricity.
Huh?
It's